Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Evan. Where you at, Evan? I didn't even look. In Maryland. Evan, got you ready to go, bud? Full Truckerized package. Wideband transmit receive, electrolytic cap upgrade, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, final upgrades, all audio and power mods. Got you in a static 636L carbon fiber edition here. We're going to start with RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. 2 watts all the way down. Roll it up. 20 all the way up. Yeah, maybe 22. Average power swing. Hello. 50 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. About 116 to 118 peak. Alright, my friend, it's ready to come to you. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got Wise and got Truckerized. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.